Have you been annoyed by the Photowiz Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Windows photo printing wizard dependency and restore that missing file. Before we get into the technical process for Photowiz Library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Photowiz Library, the Windows photo printing wizard library. It manages the localized UI rendering and unmanaged logic for the print pictures dialog, facilitating the localized scaling and layout of localized image data links. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. The presence of the Photowiz Library DLL error indicates that your graphics runtime needs attention. I recommend using the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to fix legacy DirectX components, followed by a driver update to support any underlying hardware-accelerated files. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Photowiz library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Manual intervention with Photowiz Library DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Photowiz Library and system efficiency. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Photowiz Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.